Reviewing effects of organization management onto customer loyalty and profit earnings. A systematic approach for development of effective operations management systems. Another presentation by Wolpe, Mansad, Paksad. Copyright February 26, 2012. Please contact paksad0@yahoo.com for any requests. Presentation scope. Effects of organization management on customer loyalty and profit earning. The presentation is designed to review the importance and effects of organizational management systems on the organization's ability to assure employee commitment to gaining customer loyalty while earning maximum profit. To do so, we will briefly review and link the factors contributing to development, management, and production. In order to deliver effective results, we intend to briefly and logically review the parts of the structure of an organization that directly contribute to quality, and then how the management system can affect control of these factors and assure success of the stakeholders. The stakeholders to the author of this presentation include everyone from company shareholders to the operators and the customers. The presentation will be divided into three major topics: reviewing business goals, reviewing operations structure, which includes product design, process design, operations management, quality control, and so on, reviewing organizational management, policies and procedures, enforcing empowering leadership. Business goals. In order to develop a high performance and versatile operation, business goals need to stay clear during the concept design and R&D stages, as well as the rest of the product's life cycle. All tasks performed need appropriate evaluation for assurance that their output is aligned with the needs for delivering the business goals. It is important to re-evaluate the original goals, perform risks analysis, and take all necessary precautions when modifying a design or a system. Hint: some of the commonly neglected factors include proper benchmarking, evaluating profit earnings based on the long-term results, applying metrics to customer loyalty, clear quality expectations. Operations management, product design, process design, operations, quality control, and so on. Most people are in one way or another using a product lifecycle management software or system or other systems to document, organize, and communicate data used to manage their operations. It is very important to clearly show the connection of used data to quality and customer needs in order to intelligently analyze the risks when changing these systems. Many use metrics that are not effective enough to support technical and procedural evaluations as needed. The product lifecycle management in general includes benchmarking, quality expectations, concept design, design and development, production and test, voice of customer. A well-designed operation produces quality efficiently. Operation of a system depends on its implementation as well as the design of its system. When we started PLM, the objective was to use a robust system design for managing operations. We were using PLM to identify all tasks, organize the tasks, have a systematic communication collaboration link between the tasks. Modern management push for market strategy encourages people to cut corners, skip steps, and push data parts through to the next level for processing before completing the necessary analysis. Examples are signing off final designs before evaluating the manufacturing ability to deliver the expected quality and or evaluating the cost of quality. A designer has choices in choosing materials and processes used to build a product, and these choices need to be made based on manufacturing evaluations and quality expectations and their effect on cost of product and or desired customer loyalty. Allowing modifications to a system, skipping necessary steps used in design and development processes, weakens the system's abilities and effectiveness. Then, to make it even worse, nowadays people are being given the freedom to change such systems randomly without a thorough risk analysis. Organization management, enforcing an empowering system, motivating effective leadership. Operations efficiency within organizations depends on people and the systems used. These include identifying business goals, operations structure or PLM, organizational management systems such as procedures and policies. The importance of use of procedures and policies has been academically proven, and it used to be the core system for managing operations in many corporations. However, globalization of industries and outsourcing have developed new management systems and have encouraged companies to adopt push for market as a business strategy and bypass the values that were the foundation of well managed operations. Standard operating procedures guide employees with details on how to perform their tasks accurately and repeatedly. Policies are used to enforce the necessary procedures and to ensure consistency. Modern management is now lacking detailed evaluation of all tasks, therefore, it does not adequately procedure Therefore, it does not have adequate procedures for related situations in place. As a result, people are making technical and business decisions on the spot as they face unpredicted situations more often than ever before. This is a very unstable, unreliable, and risky method of running an operation. The worst part is that often people fail to identify the output of the risks that they are taking, and as a result, we have seen many issues with many organizations. Issues include losing customers, even losing businesses, which in turn cause a job insecurity for all. Other side effects of modern management are excessive politics and manipulation of people. Let's review why we change our management style and the long-term effects that changes have had on our businesses. Why we changed? Motivation for outsourcing manufacturing was cheap labor and was solution enabled by governments and accepted by business managers. It's this encouraged push for market as well. Effects of modern management on businesses. Even companies with established policies and procedures jumped at the alternate shortcuts placed in front of them to quickly cut costs. But now profit and customer losses due to poor quality are increasingly becoming obvious. Is going with the flow a leadership characteristic? No. However, taking actions, making quick decisions in order to survive the economy downturn can be considered as a leadership characteristic. Decision to accept push for market and turn it into outsourcing without a thorough plan was made during a time of panic due to signs of economic downturn. Conveniently enough, governments had already implemented new free trade laws and had a prepared path to flow through. Results are weakened control over engineering, manufacturing, and quality of products. The truth is that cutting corners without proper risk analysis does not increase profit for many companies, not in the long term at least. On the contrary, many companies are losing profit and customers as well as control over economy that is more and more becoming regulated and controlled by governments. Push for market and manufacturing outsourcing have side effects. They limit control over product process design and development. and do not allow time access to work out the related details as necessary, leaving hidden and unresolved issues that surface later during operations. This makes operations management too complex and interactive to be reasonably and timely managed. This can result in quality, customer complaints, and out of control costs. The truth is that there are many who see this as a job security opportunity because this method increases the required efforts to deliver quality to customers. Hint, if there were no job costs in the first place, there would be no need for job insecurity, and everyone would have more encouragement to produce a quality product efficiently, increasing profit in the long run. Enforcing an empowering system, motivating effective leadership. Leadership characteristics are required for everyone. However, it is important to understand the structure of an organization and build teams that support its elements correctly, rather than applying control forces at wrong places and the wrong times. This is why it is very important to have procedures and fair policies that give guidance to employees as well as freedom to act on their own. Following reliable procedures to operate well-designed systems will deliver results and enable employees to feel empowered, and vice versa. Team building factors, hidden issues, emotions, motivation by training, satisfying operational support needs, satisfying professional needs, satisfying personal needs. All factors affect a build affect a team building, and they have to be considered when making decisions. Standard operating procedures guide employees with details on how to perform their tasks accurately. Politics are used to enforce the necessary procedures in order to ensure consistent performance. Proper use of metrics to support design changes as well as to ensure proper manufacturing, technical support, training, and procedural development is very important and depends on a well-designed product lifecycle management as well as the organization management. A well-designed operation produces quality efficiently. But the author, cross-functional engineer, designer, project manager, logistics consultant, business analyst, technical advisor, philosopher. Senior mechanical engineer and designer with extensive experience in managing design and development of products, processes, and equipment. Started with automation, project management, and supplier quality assurance engineering, then focused on launching new products, design for manufacturing, and process excellence, lean manufacturing. Expert in using cross-functional training for making quick decisions in identifying and applying technology, as well as solving problems. Excellent business analysis, marketing, and development experience. Another presentation by Volpe Mahzad Paksad, copyright February 26, 2012. Please contact paksad0@yahoo.com for any requests.